Using "don't mind" in questions. A fun and easy guide. Hello, language explorers. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of English phrases. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to use "don't mind" in questions. This phrase can be a handy tool for expressing indifference or politeness in English, so it's certainly a good one to have in your language toolbox. First off, what does "don't mind" actually mean? The phrase "don't mind" is often used in English to express that you do not have a strong preference about something or that you are open to different options. For example, if a friend asks you what movie you want to watch and you don't really have a preference, you could say, "I don't mind. Any movie is fine with me." Now, let's look at how to use "don't mind" in questions. This phrase can often make your questions seem more polite or casual. For instance, instead of asking, "Can I use your pen?" which might seem a bit direct, you could say, "Do you mind if I use your pen?" This question expresses the same idea but sounds more polite. Or if someone offers you two options, you can use "don't mind" to express indifference. Like, "Do you prefer coffee or tea?" You could answer with, "I don't mind. Either is fine." Let's put our knowledge into practice. Here are a few examples to better understand this concept. Do you mind if I turn on the radio? I don't mind where we go for dinner. Any restaurant is fine with me. Do you mind if I take this last piece of cake? She doesn't mind if you arrive a bit late. See how "don't mind" makes these questions and responses sound more casual and polite. And there you have it. That's how you can use "don't mind" in your questions to make them sound more casual, polite, or to express indifference. With a little practice, these phrases will become a natural part of your English conversations. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and we'll catch you in our next lesson. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. So don't mind the bumps along the way, and keep exploring. See you next time, language explorers.